Hi Macy, hi Bo.
Hi.
Are you guys ready to make some dirty water?
Yeah.
All right, so our water system is full of stuff that people just pour down the drain, and then it has to go to the water treatment facilities, and they have to figure out how to clean out. So you guys are going to basically do what people do and put a bunch of stuff into our water, and then we're gonna try to get it cleaned out. Okay. We've got honey and coffee and cornmeal and vinegar, some oatmeal, a little bit of dirt from the chicken coop, some oil and quinoa, old salsa, flour, baking soda, pepper, and some tea. Looking pretty gross. Then we're gonna make our bottles to hold our filters by cutting them in half so that the top will slip into the bottom. Okay, so are you guys ready to try to clean this water?
Yes.
Filtration systems can be made of a lot of components. So we have gravel, peat moss, sand, charcoal, cotton balls, and coffee filters. What's gonna take all the yuck out of the water?
Some rocks.
Okay.
No, not some rocks. Some dough and some cotton balls.
Okay, and Mace, what are you thinking?
Probably not peat moss because it seems like it would soak up the water.
Okay.
So probably not charcoal
Okay.
because it'd get the water more dirty.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe some gravel, cotton balls, and sand.
We used one coffee filter to hold the components and slide in the top, and then realized we needed another one between the two plastic parts just in case some of the stuff from the top slid through.
I want to push it like moving in
So let's observe 10 minutes of filtration in 10 seconds. Now for a 5-minute time lapse of each component. After 5 minutes of filtering, you can see that each combination had drastically different effects in the quality of water at the end. You can use this information along with looking at the differences between Bowen and Macy's to think about how you might build your own. Have fun, because the science is gonna get you.